Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Out here on Fox Lake this morning, looking to get into some bass today. It's been some slow days fishing the last few days out here in Wisconsin, but hope I can turn around today on Fox Lake. Might be the last fishing trip that I get out here, but stay tuned, let's see how the day goes. It's about time. Yes, 4 feet of water. Nice healthy fish. 16.75. I think that was a fish. Alright, I think I figured them out. They're out here. About 4 feet of water in between these two islands where I'm getting the most bites. And that's another decent one. Probably around 16 inches or so. That was a fun one. I thought that was a pike at first. He took off. It's a nice chunky one. Another 16.5. Nice fish. Got some marks right there, maybe from a pike. It's a good one. It's the best one of the day. Might be the best one of the trip too. Not quite as big as I thought he was. He's a 17.25, but a nice fat one, nice and healthy. Well guys, on my way back to the boat ramp now. It's kind of a grind out here. I really only found bass in one spot. I think I caught 4 or maybe 5 largemouth on the day. All of them were pretty decent quality. I didn't catch any dinks today, so that's always good. I think this might be my last chance to fish out here in Wisconsin, and the swim jig has done the majority of the damage out here. Once again, I want to thank you all for watching today's video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. It goes a long way in helping me out. And until next time, I'll catch you later.